Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline in Rec Room. If you're looking to enjoy some solo time in Rec Room without interruptions, appearing offline is a handy feature. First of all, open up your Rec Room application and once you're in this game page, tap on your watch menu at the top left corner. Now, click on Experience from the top. Under Experience, you will see Appear Online 2 option. Go ahead and select No One. Once you choose No One, you will be able to appear offline in the game. This will now make you invisible to other players while you play. You can also choose to appear offline to everyone, or just to favorites or friends. You can also choose to appear offline to everyone, or just to friends, depending upon your preference. So that is how you can easily appear offline in Rec Room. You can now enjoy uninterrupted gameplay in Rec Room, whether you are building, exploring, or just taking a break. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.